Hey guys, so today we'll be working on one of the room named library, and the room is quite short and simple. So first we need to find a few things to get into the machine, and there is a brute force also involved here. And then the previous part is also very quick and simple. So let's get into it. So this is the room library boot to root machine for fit and besides CTF. So this room was probably part of some CTF, and then we can see there is only user flag and root flag that we need to get. And so let's go to uh, shell and let's first capture the IP address in a variable. Then let's start the nmap scan. So SCSV, and here is the password. So while nmap is running, let's go to the web version of this IP address. Let's see what is hosted there. So a kind of blog, and this part is default, nothing interesting here. It says hack the planet, and you can see down here that there is the link is not active. No link is active, and if we scroll down to check other part of this page, so we can see comments, and the in comments the usernames are root, www, data, and anonymous, and there is a post a comment section. So let's try to enter some values. So submit, and it's loading, and nothing has happened. We can see that there is no comment which is getting published. So um, we cannot do any XSS stuff or something like that. So let's see if the nmap is completed, and before that you can see that the username is this apart from root and anonymous. So we might need this user later, and these usernames are default. So that's it. So let's go to nmap scan. Let's see what is going on there. Okay, it has just completed. So port 22 SSH is open, and then port 80 HTTP. And if you are watching it carefully, you can see the robot.txt file, one disallowed entry. So we can go to robot.txt directly, and if you don't see robot.txt in your nmap scan, you can use directory search as well. Okay, so we can see the user agent is rockq, and disallowed is kind of everything. So we know that there is no directory, but let's try with rockq just in case. So there is no directory. Okay, so the only thing rockq is the password word list, and we know that there was a user called Meliodas, and we can use this user to do the brute force on SSH. So let's start the Hydra. Hydra minus L as a user, and then W for word list slash users slash share. Um, Wait a minute, I guess I messed it up. So not W, but capital P for password list slash user slash share slash word lists, and then rockq, and minus ssh colon slash slash dollar IP minus T for threads. Let's make it 40, and let's start it. So let's wait for a couple of seconds, and we can see the user password here. So let's copy this, or maybe let's copy the user only. Password is quite simple. So clear out SSH user at $IP. So password, enter, and we are in. So let's check. So apart from user flag, we can see that there is one more file, back.py, uh, and we don't have write permission. It is owned by root. So let's see if we can run something using sudo -l. Yes, we can. We can run this exact backup file using Python. So we can specify the Python version, Python 2 or 3. Let's check the content of back.py. Okay, so there is one function called zipdir, and it is accepting two inputs, and then basically it is using os.walk to check all the child files and folders, and then for file and files, and then executing this. And in this main function we can see the directory war www.html. I believe the backup is taken for this directory, and the output is website.zip. So maybe let's check the directories, these directories first, just to make sure that our understanding is correct. So the input directory is what www.html, and folder blog and index.html is there, and the other path is ls-l war backups and website.zip, and the owner is root, and uh, we don't have any write permission here. So it's look good. So what we can do in this Python script, or maybe let's execute this script first. So let's copy this path, and okay, let's copy it again, copy, paste, and sudo and python 3, enter, and nothing has happened, so as expected. So what we can do, we can use the library zip file, and instead of letting this script use zip file library from the system folders, we can create a zip file script here in our folder, so that it picks it first, and we can run our code easily using the root privilege. So let's run nano zipfile.py, enter. Oh, okay, so I was supposed to run touch command. So nothing is created. Touch zipfile.py, and then we can use the echo command to push some bash syntax in this file. So echo single inverted comma import os os.import slash bin slash sh, and out it to zipfile.py, enter. I made a mistake, control C, and let's put the inverted comma in the end, enter. Let's check the output. So it's look good. So we are set to execute this script, enter, and we are root. So let's go to the root directory, um, check if we can read the root flag, word count root. Yes, we can. So that's it for this room. I hope you have enjoyed and learned something new. So it was a simple and a quick room and just few steps. The main thing was robot.txt, using which we got the hint and the user we should have observed like on all the pages. So we should always do that. And then the brute force, and the last part was previous, quite simple. So uh, this type of vulnerability can be exploited in many different scenarios. So I hope you have enjoyed. If so, please keep watching other videos and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye bye.